Hello. I would like to get one. You speak so, English, right? Okay. One muffin. Okay. Then a bottle of water, please. Aqua, water. Yeah. And macarons. Yeah. I'm down on sugar. I need something too sweet so that I can get back. And they don't have muffin.
New York? New York?
New York? No. That's some cool guys. Спасибо. So now let's go back to the train station, to the metro station, and see if they let me in again. I'm trying my luck again. There's police here. If they will let me in, and there is a police there. Hello.
Hello.
A ticket?
No.
Yeah. If they hold me again. So my luck does not work this time, and the police is not allowing me now to go inside. They asking me to bring some special passes, so these are only for those who work for the city of Kiev, or maybe so someone, so not, it seems that not all of them has the passes, so I'm left only either to walk. So yeah, I cannot see anything now for today. Maybe tomorrow. Still the weather is getting nasty. Yeah, so I'll come back tomorrow to you and see if we can find something tomorrow. Until then, bye bye. Guys, think what I find here on way back to hotel. This abandoned building here. I'm not sure what this is. Look at that. Yeah, maybe. Okay.
It's true.
Yeah.
like street.
Yeah.
On the left.
Yeah.
This building. This is building not.
Okay, this one is closed. Okay, I know.
Yeah.
But the other ones are from the other side, outside.
Yeah, outside this.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Let's see if we can find an entrance to our abandoned building. So this will be our first abandoned building. If you can find it, let's go. So I'm now on the other side of the building. This one here, see? But I think it's covered, so maybe it's under construction or someone is doing there something. I'm not sure if I still can go inside, but look, the door is open. Let's go and see if we can make it to our abandoned building. Check this out. But I see there are some people standing here in front of that building. You see? Let me see if I can go inside. Let's see. There's the guard, some guard. Hello.
Hello.
Photo, you see?
Please.
Yeah. Спасибо.
История.
Historia. Thank you.
Это все.
Yeah. Stairs up go the stairs.
Развалины.
Развалины.
Все, история типа пирамида.
Pyramida, yeah. Guys, check this out. There is still some water is coming. Okay, this pipe is leaked. But I don't know if I can go inside here. I don't see any stairs. But check this out. Wow. In the middle of Kiev, we found a gem. Look at this. I don't know why is this building not being repaired. Maybe no one is the owner of that. Check this out. So there's one bottle, maybe someone drinking beer or maybe some other juice. So rubbish is here. Wow. So actually they have tried to cover it. Maybe they have a plan to renovate it somehow. But for now, or maybe the government of Kiev, so they just want to hide the building behind those beautiful covers, because there are people who walk every day. But check this out. Let's see if a door is open. No? Inside, no? Up there? No? It's out there. Look. The balcony of this, the balcony up there. No one lives here. You live here.
Алис. Пипец всему.
Пипец всему.
Называется. Вот так.
Okay, спасибо.
Всё,
Спасибо.
окей.
Still, and I think now I have an idea what I'm going to do tomorrow. So find and hunt those abandoned buildings in or around Kiev. Let's see. We cannot use the metro, so we cannot go to the other stations, but we can try to find some other things. Maybe find some Uber or the taxi and go to those abandoned buildings. Let's see. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
Road straight, but because from this side you will not be able to go on the top of it.